We're on the beach at Noosa North Shore in the campground, probably 3/4 of the way up the campground heading towards freshwater. I thought we just had a little bit of an attempt then to see how good the CelFi Go was. So I got the cars in my convoy. They're about 100 metres behind me to check their signal, and they had nothing, and I had 3 bars of 3G. So then I pulled up and got them to come and park beside me. So we had people on that side and on that side. At that time, when I pulled up, my phone actually went up to 4 bars of 3G. It took 20 seconds or so, but then people, everyone around me also picked up 4 bars of 3G, except for the person who was on Optus, and they got SOS only. So there we go. That is pretty definitive proof of it working. I checked the data speed. Data speed was actually quite low doing a speed test, but if you're wanting to check the weather or something, I guess it would work. But it's not like I'd be trying to send big emails or watch YouTube. But if you had to send something out, it would. So yeah, 3/4 of the way up, or 2/3 of the way up the campground at Noosa North Shore. Traditionally, phone signal gone. With the CelFi Go, not gone, which is pretty cool. 4 bars of 3G all the way up here. And yeah, being able to share it with those people around me. They stayed in their cars. They didn't get out of their cars, and just their phone in their hand picked up 3 or 4 bars, 4 bars in the end of 3G and SOS only, which is cool for emergency, I suppose, on the one person with Optus. So cool test, works well. Quick update, just left freshwater. Just left freshwater after lunch. Back out on the beach, heading towards Leisha Track. Normally no signal near here. 4 bars of 3G. Just had some emails come through. We didn't have a signal at freshwater. We're off the beach there. It did definitely say no service when we're at the freshwater day use area. But back out on the beach, heading towards the Leisha Track. 4 bars, 3G, and a couple of emails came through. Yay! When we got onto the beach. So happy days. Pretty stoked about that actually. This was always going to be an interesting place to test it because open zone, if you like. Where there's not a lot of interferences on a beach, and we did always know where you lost signal coming up the beach. So yeah, I haven't checked data speed up here. I'll do that in a minute. But absolutely, call quality. I actually got a phone call just as we were pulling into freshwater. So call quality is amazing, and there is a signal which was not there before. So CelFi Go, there you are.